Welcome back to my channel, Smokin and Grilling with me, AB. Now today, went out to my mailbox and looked inside my mailbox, and what did I see? I had 2 packages. Both of these packages came from SnoopyEats 408. Hey, thanks, bro. Hey, you know what? And I know you, bro. I know we was talking about something. You know, you were talking about having things native to out there being in Canada. So I guess what you did was you sent me something. So listen, we gonna quit guessing and all that. I'm getting ready to open up these 2 boxes that you sent, bro, and we finna check it out, man. Ah, yeah. Hey, look, check it out. Hey, let me go ahead and make sure it focuses on that. You know what? Sent out hey, this is a sick little mug right here, bro. You know what I mean? Hey, listen, even got his channel name on the outside, on the back side. You know what? SnoopyEats 408. And what does it say right there? Hashtag keep it crispy. Hey, thanks, bro. Hey, I'm getting ready to put this to use. Hey, listen, you didn't know this, but I don't drink coffee, man, but I like that hot chocolate, though. You know what I mean? So we finna hashtag hot chocolate. Hey, so let me go ahead and open up the second. Now, this is what I'm talking about, bro. Hey, this is what I was kind of, hey, I got it now. I see why you was being a little, you know, secretive on what you was doing, bro. I got it. Hey, listen, sent out 2 bottles of this maple syrup. Hey, this is supposed to be that real deal, ooh-wee maple coming from straight from Canada. Here it go right here. Let me go ahead and make sure it focuses. This is right here, that's it, bro. Hey, maybe you can tell me what is up with this little piece right here. Are we supposed to actually hold this, man, and pour it? Hey, you let me know. Okay, you got that one, and then you got another one. Hey, it just say maple syrup. I can't even pronounce the Creek. Hey, whatever it is. Hey, listen, it's from you, Sloop. Let me go ahead and make sure this is focusing on that. Hey, this right here is hot, bro. Hey, I got it. So this is what we gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and make what we talked about before. Me and you talked about doing some kind of like a collab on doing something like making some stuffed pancakes. Well, check it out. Now that you sent this out right here, it's going down. You know what? I'm gonna do some stuffed pancakes. I'm gonna stuff them with 2 different types of meat. Maybe I'm gonna look in my refrigerator. I know I got some bacon, and if I got some sausage, I'm gonna do that too. And check this out. I would put cheese in there, but I can hear all of y'all right now saying, ugh, this dude put cheese and meat in a pancake. But don't trip. I know you guys thinking to yourselves right now like, that might be the one. But anyway, we're gonna leave the cheese out. We're gonna stuff it with meat. And then, you know, of course, we finna come right here with these right over the top, and we finna sample it. It's supposed to be coming straight from Canada. We about to do a taste test. Hey, thanks, SnoopyEats. Hey, I can't say nothing. Hey, with that being said, y'all, let me just go ahead and break right into this video. Now, in order for me to use this authentic maple syrup, I gotta have something to make. So I went with Aunt Jemima. Hey, listen, I know it says Aunt, but we gonna say Aunt Jemima Buttermilk Complete. Went ahead and just, got this together, mixed it up. It's super easy, just add water. Listen, it's not a plug for them, but I gotta say this though, listen, it's a name that we all known and grown to love, and it just tastes great. Now here, what you see is I'm using my large, my griddle plate, stovetop griddle plate. Man, I love this thing right here. Listen, and again, this is not like an authentic homemade, pancake video. This was just showing you how I make stuffed pancakes. And you know what? I wanted to give a shout out to SnoopyEats for sending that authentic maple syrup all the way down from Canada. So right there, you just saw I started out with a little butter, super easy, medium heat, easy to cook. Listen, we're gonna cook those, we're gonna check it. Once it browns good, then we're gonna flip them over. But before we do that, you know what? We gotta stuff them, right? So then, look, you'll just see I come with some bacon. I already broke it up. I just put it right there into the mix. And you can see as it starts to bubble, once it starts to cook through, that tells you that it's almost ready to flip. If you ask me, listen, when it's like that, it's ready to flip. So as you can see, I sped the video up right here, but really, I should have already had it in there, and then I should have already flipped it over. But look at that. Look at the color on that. These are like, hey, I don't mean to toot my horn, but these right here, they look good. You're talking about making a thumbnail or photographing well, these are the ones. Oh, and then right here, you just see the process just starts all over again. You know, it depends on how big you make your pancakes. I can get 4 on there, but I wanted these to just be a nice, you know, nice big size and nice and fluffy. So again, we just repeat the first process. You know, you pour, you stuff, you flip, and then you take them off. Now for the good part. Couple tablespoons of butter, open up the maple syrup, and listen, we finna get our pour on. You know what? I wish it was some kind of way that you guys could just smell the aroma, and you could smell the sweetness, the maple flavor, everything once I open this top. And I gotta tell you this, hey Snoop, hey thanks bro for sending this out. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Hey, thanks. All right, you just seen how I make stuffed pancakes. Listen, you saw I just used bacon. You know what I mean? I had broke up the bacon, put that inside of the pancake as it was cooking. I also added some sausage. Those were just sausage links. You know what I mean? I just like cut them down, you know, just put them in there. I'm telling you guys, listen, I should have went ahead and did it like I normally do it, and that's sprinkle a little cheddar cheese in there too. I just didn't think everybody would want to see that, but listen, you gotta try it. You know what? I'll make a video like that in the future. So now, hey Snoop, this goes out to you, bro. I'm getting ready to taste this Canadian maple syrup, you know what I mean, that authentic, you know what, it's about to go down, bro. So let me go ahead and cut me a piece and let's find out what's happening. Hey bro, this is a combination of everything. Listen, the maple syrup, hey, this just sets it off, you know what I mean? But listen, getting into some of that meat, these fluffy golden brown pancakes, I'm gonna go ahead and get me another one. Only thing missing right now with this authentic, you know, Canadian maple syrup and these stuffed pancakes is just a tall glass of ice cold milk. You know what? If that had it, listen, I already give it a 99.9%, you know, satisfaction rate. I just need that to send it over the edge. Hey Snoop, you outdid yourself on this one, bro. So now I got to dig deep and figure out what can I do. Hey, so check it out, you guys. SnoopyEats 408. Listen, I'm gonna put a link down in the description box below so you guys can check him out. You know what I mean? Hey, he got some massive mukbangs. Hey, that's what I'm thinking about, Snoop. What you think about that, bro? Me cooking a meal, overnighting it to Canada. I don't care how much it costs, bro. We gonna get it to you, homie, then you gonna mukbang it. What you think about that? If you guys want to see that, you know what? Go ahead and leave a comment down in the description box below and tell everybody, tell Snoop that you guys say, hey, have me make something and overnight it out there too in Canada so we can just watch him. You know what? Maybe you can premiere it, do it live, however you want to do it, bro. But I'm gonna make something epic for you, man. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. Listen, we got some fun things coming. You know, it's the holidays right now. Listen, it's going down, you guys. So with that being said, I'm out.